I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional. You need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research. Do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. So I'm sure you heard me say plenty of times, I'm not very good at the videos, and they take me a while to do. And, I just want to recap today, because there's some great examples today that can be shown. In the options watch list, you got Apple, a $4 move. ABV going strong, ABV, whatever. ADMS, right? Got a decent move here. See if we can continue through. AZS, gap and go. Auto, strong 15-20% move. We'll see. CGIX, this one's turned out to be beautiful. Squeeze back up here. We're going to know soon. CTHR, blast it off. High, is it all-time high? Yeah, all-time high. So, let's see where it stops. eBay, right, on the watch list, blasting and going. eDry, look at this. Like this you should have had at 8. So eDry, you get a $1.25 move, and you could easily have this at $8.25, anywhere around 8. EMKR, I'm going to leave these lines here because we're going to look at the winner of the day. Grill, okay, you see this volume? See this? This is a favorite pumper chart, pumper ticker. So we're going to see if this is loading. Maybe we'll have them do our dirty work for us. RCL, I talk about this. If cities are opening, cruise lines are going to open too. MongoDB, she started to move. We'll see. We can get continuation back through this area. We can get a real mover. Twitter, talked about it. Cheap option play with real upside potential, especially if the keys went blasting. 67 to 70, $2 move in Twitter is no joke. And it's on a Monday. And the winner of the day, ZYNE. Right? Talked about this one. And just to show you, when I put out a watch list, it is what I'm watching. And I'm not here to coddle anybody or to puff my chest, but 482 average. There's 5 digits in there. I'm leaving it at that. So the greatest news is actually ended up like a 775 after hours. So let me show you what happened. So here's what happened. We basically had a short cover. I'll show you the shorts and the pivots, and the short better be thankful this got halted, because they were really about to suffer big time. Let me show you here. So when we look at ZYNE, this this short better be really thankful there was a halt. Let me show you what happened, so we can just mark the short squeeze here. And then I think it ended at 775. Give or take, there. And, the short better be really thankful there was a halt, because it was going to keep going. It really was. See how we ripped through all of it? The shorts helped us get through. It was up here. It's about to get here without the halt. Right? The halt is what saved it. So, she trickled down after hours. We'll see. This is where a good CEO would be dropping PR and 8K tomorrow and re-blow up the short if they entered, or just finish just finish off whatever other shorts on there and bring in new investors. But that's, what a good CEO does. If I see an 8K tomorrow, I'm loading the boat because I know I got somebody smart driving this company. But you can see how these are, right? So when we have lines like this on the MKR, it starts to go. You can see how it would happen. That's it. I'm going to do the watch list for tomorrow, and I'm calling it a night.